Hello and welcome to our new video. If you're a realtor looking to step up your game, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into Real Geeks, one of the most powerful tools for real estate professionals. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to get more out of it, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Ready? Let's go. What is Real Geeks? First things first, what exactly is Real Geeks? Think of it as your all-in-one real estate marketing powerhouse. It's a platform designed to help realtors like you generate leads, build a professional website, manage contacts, and automate your marketing efforts. In 2025, where the real estate market is more competitive than ever, having a tool like Real Geeks can give you the edge you need to stand out. Step 1. Setting up your Real Geeks account. Let's start with the basics, getting your account up and running. Sign up. Head over to the Real Geeks website and click on Get Started. You'll be asked to fill in some basic information like your name, email, and phone number. Choose a plan that fits your needs, whether you're a solo agent or part of a team. Complete your profile. Once you're in, take a few minutes to set up your profile. Add a professional photo. Write a short bio that highlights your expertise and include your contact details. This is your chance to make a great first impression, so make it count. Verify your account. Real Geeks will send you a verification email or text. Click the link or enter the code to confirm your account. Once that's done, you're ready to explore the platform. Step 2. Navigating the dashboard. The Real Geeks dashboard is your command center. It might look a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry, it's super intuitive once you get the hang of it. Here's a quick breakdown of the main sections. Home. This is your overview page. You'll see things like recent leads, website traffic, and activity updates. Leads. This is where all your leads live. You can view their details, add notes, and track interactions. Website. Here's where you'll customize your real estate website and manage your listings. Marketing. Set up email campaigns, create landing pages, and automate your marketing efforts. Analytics. Track your performance with detailed reports on leads, traffic, and ROI. Take a few minutes to click around and get familiar with the layout. Trust me, it'll make everything else much easier. Step 3. Building your real estate website. Your website is your digital storefront, so let's make it shine. Choose a template. Real Geeks offers a variety of templates. Pick one that matches your brand and the type of properties you specialize in. Don't stress too much, you can always tweak it later. Customize your site. Add your logo, choose a color scheme, and update the layout. Make sure it's clean, professional, and easy to navigate. Remember, first impressions matter. Add listings. Your website should showcase your current listings. Use high-quality photos and write detailed descriptions. Real Geeks integrates with NLS, so your listings will update automatically. No more manual work, eh? Optimize for SEO. Want your website to show up in Google searches? Use keywords like homes for sale in your city and add meta descriptions. Real Geeks has built-in SEO tools to help you out. Step 4. Generating leads. Now let's talk about the bread and butter of your business, leads. Set up IDX search. IDX, Internet Data Exchange, lets visitors search for properties on your website. It's a must-have for capturing leads. Real Geeks makes it easy to set up, so don't skip this step. Create landing pages. Landing pages are like digital flyers. Use them for specific campaigns like a new listing or free market report. Make sure they have a clear call to action, like download now or schedule a showing. Offer valuable content. People love free stuff. Offer something valuable, like a home buying guide or a neighborhood report, in exchange for their contact info. It's a win-win. Promote on social media. Share your website and landing pages on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Real Geeks integrates with social media so you can schedule posts and track engagement. Step 5. Managing your leads. Once you start generating leads, you'll need a system to manage them. That's where Real Geeks CRM and tools come in. Organize your leads. Categorize your leads by status: new, contacted, nurtured, etc. Add notes to keep track of conversations and follow-ups. Follow up quickly. Time is money in real estate. Set up automated emails or text to follow up with leads right away. A simple "thanks for reaching out" can go a long way. Nurture your leads. Not every lead is ready to buy right away. Keep them engaged with regular updates, market insights, and personalized recommendations. Track lead activity. Real Geeks lets you see what your leads are doing, like which properties they're viewing or how often they visit your site. Use this info to tailor your approach. Step 6. Automating your marketing. Let's face it, you don't have time to manually send emails and texts all day. That's where automation comes in. Set up email campaigns. Create automated email sequences to nurture your leads. Real Geeks has templates you can use, or you can create your own. Personalize them to make them more engaging. Use SMS marketing. Text messages have a crazy high open rate. Set up automated SMS campaigns to send property alerts, market updates, or appointment reminders. Schedule social media posts. Consistency is key on social media. Use Real Geeks to schedule posts in advance and keep your audience engaged. Monitor your campaigns. Keep an eye on what's working and what's not. Real Geeks analytics tools make it easy to track open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Step 7. Integrating with CRM tools. If you're already using a CRM like HubSpot or Salesforce, you can sync it with Real Geeks to streamline your workflow. Sync your CRM. Connect your CRM to Real Geeks so all your lead data is in one place. No more switching between platforms. Automate data entry. Save time by automating data entry. Real Geeks can automatically update your CRM with new leads and interactions. Track everything. Use your CRM to track every interaction. Emails, calls, meetings, you name it. This gives you a complete picture of your lead's journey. Analyze your data. Use your CRM data to spot trends and improve your strategies. Real Geeks analytics tools can help you make smarter decisions. Step 8. Analyzing your performance. You can't improve what you don't measure. Let's talk about tracking your success. Check website traffic. See how many people are visiting your site and which pages they're spending time on. This helps you figure out what's working and what's not. Measure lead generation. Track how many leads you're getting from your website, landing pages, and campaigns. This helps you focus on the strategies that bring in the most leads. Calculate ROI. Compare the cost of your campaigns to the revenue they generate. Real Geeks reports make it easy to see your ROI at a glance. Adjust your strategies. Use your analytics to tweak your approach. Double down on what's working and fix what's not. Step 9. Advanced tips. Want to take things to the next level? Here are some pro tips. Leverage AI. Use AI tools to analyze lead behavior and predict market trends. Real Geeks is constantly updating its features, so keep an eye out for new AI integrations. Focus on video. Video marketing is huge right now. Create virtual tours, market updates, and client testimonials to engage your audience. Try VR and AR. Virtual and augmented reality are changing the game. Offer virtual tours or let clients visualize renovations with AR tools. Stay active on social media. Post regularly, engage with your audience, and use stories and reels to stand out. Keep learning. The real estate industry is always evolving. Stay ahead by investing in courses, webinars, and industry events. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to mastering Real Geeks in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your current setup, this platform has everything you need to generate leads, nurture relationships, and close more deals. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Keep refining your strategies, stay on top of trends, and don't be afraid to try new things. Real Geeks is the powerful tool, but it's up to you to make the most of it. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore the platform, and start growing your real estate business today. You've got this. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future tutorials, feel free to drop them in the comments below and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next session.